Today I'm going to show you my dog whose name is Gucci. I didn't name him. I didn't adopt him. One of my mom's friends gave us her. It's actually a her. Sorry for saying him at first. Well, now let me show you how she looks. So here's how she looks. Gucci! She really likes me, and she's really liking my grandma, and she shakes a lot. I don't know how, but then I think she's afraid of cats though. I know this is really weird, but I know some dogs are fraidy dogs. Gucci! She always really wants food, so let me get some snacks from her, the Cribbles. Gucci, my dog! So now I'm gonna feed her. Wait. Gucci. Look, I probably need to give her the red ones. The meat one. She eats those better than the regular ones. Gucci! Sorry, she doesn't eat what she already licks sometimes. Here we go, Gucci. The meat one done. Gucci! Gucci! Look, I know she really needs to practice her eating. Yuck. You're gonna have to miss this part. I'm so sorry. Okay, there, I cleaned it. Now let me give her some extra food. Hopefully she will eat it. Gucci! Don't drop it! Oh, Gucci! Gucci! 點解佢唔食嘢嘅？等呢個冇攞紅啊！ She only likes the ones like raw meat, like mostly. Better, she ate one. Finally one. Gucci! Gucci! Better. Sometimes she's a good girl, sometimes she's not. She ate the green ones. There you go. She's probably hungry. Gucci! 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 Sorry, she's really paying attention to a lot of noise since she's really scared. Gucci! Good girl. Well, thanks for watching. Bye!